Hey, today I want to share the Vitamix A3500 Ascend Series Smart Blender with you. This is my all-time favorite blender. I got it in the color graphite. We've had the Vitamix for about 3 years now and it still works amazingly. I haven't noticed any dulling of the stainless steel blades. The blender comes with a 64-ounce container. I find this blender works well for making large amounts of food, but also works just as well if you want to make a single-serve portion. There are 5 program settings, which include smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. There is also the Vitamix Perfect Blend app, which you can use to unlock 17 programs and 500 plus recipes, giving you even more options. I love to make so many different things with this blender. One of my favorite things to make is a banana, strawberry, and mango milkshake. I add in frozen banana, strawberry, and mango, and then I add in some milk. I then select the frozen desserts program, hit start, and it blends everything to perfection. The program allows me to turn the blender on and walk away, giving me time to get other things done. I've never had any issues blending a lot of frozen fruit or other tougher foods. It's very powerful. Other things I like to make with the Vitamix include regular smoothies, juices, and tomato sauces. And my husband loves to make hot sauces. Another extremely cool feature is that you can make hot soup from scratch just using this blender. Here I am making my family's favorite broccoli cheddar soup. I'm adding in all the ingredients, including steamed broccoli, cheese, and milk. I then slowly turn the variable speed control dial up until the blender is at its highest speed, which is 10. I'm then leaving it for about 6.5 minutes. You can also use the hot soup program on the blender as well. The blaze reach speeds fast enough to create friction heat, causing cold ingredients to warm up. I'm using gloves to take off the lid because the soup is steaming hot. I let it cool down for a bit and it's ready to serve. What I've also noticed with this particular blender is that it draws the ingredients down to the blades, which ensures that everything is blended very smoothly. The front of the Vitamix is also very sleek. The controls are all touchscreen and super easy to wipe clean. You don't have to worry about food getting caught in any crevices. Other things to note is that this blender also has a pulse button and a built-in timer. A cool feature is that the motor base can actually read the container size you've chosen and automatically adjust the program settings and maximum blending times accordingly. I just have the 64-ounce container, but I'm thinking of adding a smaller container as well. Cleanup is super easy because the blender container is dishwasher safe. You can also just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap, hit the self-cleaning program, and it will clean the Vitamix in seconds. Overall, the Vitamix is super powerful and versatile, can make so many delicious foods, and saves me so much time in the kitchen. Thanks so much for watching this review.